Here, I'm going to show you few different ways to solve your Samsung Galaxy screen problem. The first solution is go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down and tap on display. Here, if you turn on eye comfort shield, then disable this option and then check your display fixed or not. And if you're still facing your display issue, then follow this second solution. Go to your phone settings and this time tap on modes and routines. Here tap on sleep focus mode and make sure to disable sleep focus mode and then go ahead and check the issue. And the next solution is go to your phone settings. This time scroll down and tap on accessibility. Here tap on recommended for you and you have to tap on vision enhancements and here disable color inversion and also disable color filter option from here and then go ahead and check your display should fix or not. So that's how you can easily fix your Samsung Galaxy display or screen problems. Thanks for watching.